drink a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you.
Alright, y'all, so I took my wig off because the lace was super itchy. So this is my first attempt. Well, it's actually my second attempt at me doing this bald cap. So if I mess this up, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's not gonna be good. Alright, so we're gonna do like that because I cut it too big the last time. So yeah, just do like that. Alright, so that looks good. And then yeah, I'm just gonna poke a hole in this like that, like so, and just gradually, I guess, open it up just to go around my ears. I watched a bunch of tutorials, but when you're actually doing this different. So I was watching Erica J or whatever, and she was like, don't, my face looked crazy. She was like, don't use the dry spray or the freeze spray, but I'm probably gonna take this off again because I have some more wig installs to do. So I'm just gonna like do this along my hairline. So I'm just gonna go like this, where I want the cap to like lay. At this, I'm not a professional, so you know, if I'm not doing it right, I'm not doing it right. Just to like, this is killing my eyelids. All right, some gotta be gel, just a little bit. They said it takes forever to dry this gel or whatever. I know you see my baby hair right there, but it's all right. So far, I don't think this is gonna come out well, but we're still gonna try, you know? We have to try. All right, I don't know if that was too much heat or not, but hopefully the bald cap is good. It feels a little tacky, so hopefully when I take it off, it's straight or whatever. No. We'll finesse anything that, you know, that doesn't work out or whatever, but yeah. So I'm gonna cut that part. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, all the rolling up pieces, I'm actually gonna take the little comb with this like that and just smooth down the rolled up pieces as I go along. I seen this on somebody else's video. I hope the cap is not too low. Alright, so I got this makeup that I bought a long time ago just for my parting space because I don't use makeup or whatever, so I'm not even sure. This is the Ghost Bond XL. Yeah, Ghost Bond XL. I paid like $25 for that, and I got my little makeup brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this baby wipe. It's a clean baby wipe. I'm just gonna wipe this off my forehead. It's the best thing that I have right now to use. I have nothing else. So this is gonna have to work. Here's the wig right here. I washed her yesterday, all that stuff like that, and I flat ironed it or whatever. All right, I got my Ghost Bond, and what I'm gonna do is just put, hopefully it's good. Alright, so I got the wig on my head. This is the most important part, is laying it in the glue correctly. This is my hardest part. I cut out the top comb just so it'll be easier for me. She didn't do that. I didn't ask her to do it, but yeah, it's a little more comfortable with the top comb cut out. So what I'm gonna do is lay my wig down without it, you know, trying to get in this glue all crazy. So what I'm gonna do is have a rough time. That's what I'm gonna do. Have a super rough time with this because of the baby hairs that's already cut, you know? So that's what's tough for me. All right, y'all, I was just having a breakdown. You know how when you do your hair and it's just like nothing's working and it's just like, what is happening in my life right now? That was just me a few minutes ago. I was just like, why is this happening to me? Why does everybody else make it look so easy? But when it comes to me, it's so complicated. Like, super duper complicated. Like, because I was blowing it or whatever. I don't got corona. Nah, I just got allergies. I had a nasal allergy for mad long already. So yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, so I'm about to take this down. It's been about like 20 minutes. I done went around the house and all this other nonsense. So this better be looking right. So let's see. I'm sure the scarf gonna be mad stuck to it. Watch. Not bad, not bad. It's just that now my baby hairs are stuck on my forehead. We're gonna just take this mousse, which I put on in the first place. I don't know why it's so crusty, but all right, cool. I know my baby hairs look a little crazy, but you know, to me, I don't really care as long as the lace is just down. That's all I care about, and the wig is on my head. That's what I really care about, because this is a struggle, y'all. So now I'm gonna go with my hot comb. I did this earlier, but I'm gonna lay my part a bit more. I just put some heat protectant on it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in and lay my part a bit more. It's pretty late already. But yeah, and I'm just gonna go in to the actual hair, because I did already do this with the hot comb, with the flat iron. So yeah, I don't wanna like OD go over it too much. Okay, y'all, so this is how I ended up, you know, doing the hair over again. I fully took it out, washed it and everything, and redid it. I know my baby hairs look crazy. Don't mind this part of my hair like that or whatever. So yeah, that's how the back looks. Okay, so this is the hair, the same hair I had in the last video with a wig. So my lace was getting real itchy. That's why I decided to take it out and redo it or whatever. So I just used Got to Be and some the gel and the spray together. Put that on there. I'm just gonna I'm gonna tie my baby hairs down at night, even though it's not really baby hairs, like a mess, but whatever. For the most part, it looks fine. I don't really care too much about baby hairs, to be honest, as long as the wig is just down and on my head and it's flat and it looks presentable and the part looks fine, I'm good to go. So yeah, probably think it looks better before, but I'm fine with how it looks now. And yeah, I just had to refresh it. So if you guys have trouble and you got your hair done and you just don't like how it looked, not that I didn't like how it looked, but I just like, I don't know, the lace was really itchy and the glue was just like, I don't know, it was like too white underneath. So yeah, I want it to look like more clear or whatever. So yeah, this gave me a run for my money. I wouldn't do this again by myself. I would just stick to what I usually stick to, no bald cap method, because that's just too much work, to be super honest. So hopefully you like the tutorial. Hopefully I helped somebody. That's why I actually filmed it, because I was not gonna film it because I knew it was gonna be a really hard process for me, because I do not do bald caps. I just gotta practice more and more and more. A really long video. Hopefully stick through the end, and if you did, drop a yellow heart so I can know you were watching to the end, because I know you guys don't watch my videos to the end. I'm gonna keep saying that until you watch my videos to the end, please, because I take a lot of time and effort to do these videos, plus the editing and everything like that. So yeah, just I want to stay motivated to do this and stuff like that. You comments down below too what I could do different for the bald cap, so I can learn how to do it, because I do need to learn how to do it. And that's about it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.